Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 18C655A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. There's a Pendoliner bed liner in here, as well as the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. Down here you have 3 USB ports and a regular plug, so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule any of your test drives and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.